What's up, YouTube? I'm making a quick video on it because I could not find that one video on how to replace the belts on these brake lathe machines. Right now I'm working on the 8922 model of it. The part number for the belt is AX20, and it should look something like this one right here. This is probably the most simplest one to change I've been working on. This little cover is held in by 2 Allen key screws. Take the screws out. You want to pull this up. When you get right here, it looked like it could be difficult because there's not enough room to get this belt on the inside of this lip to put it around this pulley. But I'm gonna show you a little easy, simple trick to do it. You see this right here? It pivots on this cylinder shaped bar. The only thing you have to do is if you grab it and pick up on it, you will see that it rotates. And you only want to rotate it far enough to get it past this machine. So rotate it just enough right there where I can slide the belt on from right here and pull it back. And when you slide the belt on this pulley, onto this pulley, this is a self-tensioner. So when you drop it, it's to set the tension on the belt. Let me show you right quick. So what I'm gonna do, let me get you a good angle for it. I'm gonna go around the bottom first. I'm gonna get it on that bottom pulley so I can lean this machine back to where it goes, while at the same time sliding this one on this one. So here you go, a better view. Put it on that small pulley, bring it to this top pulley, and then you're gonna grab the motor and rotate it back this way. And you should see it get real tight soon. And just like that, now you have a new belt on here. I'm gonna flip it on to confirm that this is actually spinning now. Yep. She's working good again, y'all. Appreciate you watching. Y'all have a great day.